Hi everybody, this is Julissa of Paper Gems by Jules, and today I am sharing a project I made using the new Unity stamp set, Words in Bloom. This is a beautiful new stamp set featuring some very pretty fonts with some sentiments and gorgeous flowers. I stamped these images using Momento Tuxedo black ink on Desert Storm uh, Nina paper, 80 pounds, so it's fairly thin, but they're perfect for tags to throw on a gift or even a set of flowers in itself. I colored these images with Copic markers and then added some additional details using either Prismacolor pencils or even some white gel pens. So follow along and I hope you enjoy. Now that these tags are all colored, I added some pumice stone distressing to add dimension to the edges and give it a little texture. And then once you add some ribbon, these tags are ready to share and good to go. You can see the different colors I used in reds and purples and pinks. Some were highlighted with pencils, and then some of them were, I definitely used a W1 on the edges of all the flowers to give it a very, very subtle shadow that you can see looking at it up close. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Happy crafting!